Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this is about how to use the history of Corel to make a macro. So we're going to go to Dockers and open up our history. See, I've already got some things done, but I'm going to clear everything out. I've already got a rectangle built. As a laser engraver, we always want it top left. I don't want to move it, so I'm going to clear it again. So now I've got a clean slate on my history. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute, and I'm going to go right here to Edge of Page. I'm going to go right here to left and go right here to top. Go right here and save this. I'm going to call it top left under global macros. Say OK. Let's move this. Let's shut all this down. And let's go to Tools and open up the scripts. Yours is going to say macro in earlier versions. We're going to go to Scripts. And under Global Macros and Recorded Macros is top left. I'm going to double click on it. It put my rectangle to the top left of the laser bed. I'm going to draw another one that's a different shape just to kind of prove it works. And so no matter what shape you use, if you want to circle the top left, it's that quick. You don't have to start recording. You can figure out some things to do before you record it. Now, as always, you could go assign it a shortcut key, and we're going to say the escape button, and we're going to hit assign, and then we're going to hit OK. Now, all I have to do to get top left is hit my escape button. If I want a rectangle, hit the escape button. You know, any shape will go up in that top left corner. Of course, it won't be equal, but I'm just going to hit the escape button. It's putting it at the top left as far as it can be. That's pretty cool to use the history for that. But just remember when you're doing it to go ahead and draw an object so it won't, because if you don't, the macro will try to make an object and then you'll have two objects. But just have your plaque on the page and then hit any key you want to put. I just put the escape key because it's not being used by anything else. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.